Hello and welcome to Cinch I.T's Cybersecurity Training. Today we will be discussing the importance of password security. Password security is the only thing between you and a potential invader. Having a weak or repeated password is the same as leaving the key to your house on top of a welcome mat for anyone to find. Today we are going to cover the cornerstones of what makes a strong password and how by taking these steps you can keep your personal privacy safe and secure. The first step when practicing password security is to consider the password itself. Having a strong and complex password prevents you from being susceptible from the most common forms of infiltration. Experts suggest that a password should be long, at least 12 characters, and should involve a level of complexity such as using a mixture of lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters whenever possible. It's recommended that you should think of a passphrase upon creating a password to make it easier for you to remember and harder for the cyber criminals to crack. Be sure to also check if your password has been used before and make sure each password is distinctly unique from one another. Multiple shared passwords leave all your connected accounts under threat if compromised and can create a much bigger headache. The second step in password security is to familiarize yourself with a password manager. It's very common that the longer we spend on the internet, the likelier it is that we will need help managing all of our accounts. This inevitability makes it near impossible to memorize each unique password for every specific account. That is why password managers are highly suggested. Password managers are applications that keep track of all your usernames and passwords. They only require that you remember one very strong master password to access it. The management systems are highly encrypted and extremely secure. They can even generate new passwords that have a multitude of complexity whenever it is needed. The final step is to practice using Multi Factor Authentication, or MFA for short. MFAs give a prompt when entering in your username or password to enter a code. Usually, this code is generated and set to a secondary device or email. Having an MFA prevents most skilled criminals from being able to access your account due to code changing so frequently. With strong password creation, password management systems, and multi-factor authentication, you can rest assured that your data is secure. Thank you for watching. Be sure to use the link below to share this training with your team. I'll see you next week for another Cinch I.T lesson in cybersecurity.